Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by finding and equipping the magnifying glass immediately. Open your inventory and place it in a quick access slot. Once done, interact with nearby objects to test activation, because some maps require pairing with a light source for clues to appear. Make sure to note any countdown or durability meter. This affects how long you can inspect. If the item needs combining, drag it onto the partner item and confirm. You'll see a brief animation when the tool is ready. You now use the magnifying glass to reveal hidden clues. Aim steadily at suspect surfaces and sweep slowly to trigger discovery. Because all clues have different reveal mechanics, switch zoom levels, use 1x for broad sweeps, 2x for writing, and 3x for tiny symbols to save time. Once you find a hint, hold the inspect button to keep it visible while you note its meaning. Transition between targets deliberately. Moving too fast can miss layered or heat-activated details that only show after several seconds. Finish by recording each finding and applying it directly to the corresponding puzzle, lock, or NPC prompt. Do not delay because clues can expire. You should transcribe codes or mark locations on your map while the image persists, then test the solution and adjust if it fails. If the magnifier fails to reveal anything, try resetting the tool or re-entering the map because map-specific rules sometimes block detection. For a persistent issue, relogging or switching zoom range usually resolves detection glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.